Hi, this is Bob Collects Stamps, and as usual, I'm Bob. Today I'm going to show you some cool stuff I got from Michael. He sent me this big box package with a bunch of stamps in it, a bunch of first day covers, mostly first day covers and some other souvenirs, mostly United Nations, as you see, and it's from all over the place. There's one, though, from the United States. Some other stuff are just really cool. Envelopes and covers and stamped covers, different designs, different other weird stuff like this. I really appreciate it, Michael. Nobody needs to send me anything, but I'm having fun with these. I had fun going through and putting together this video, and I'm having fun figuring out what all of these are and what year they are and where the heck they're going to go in my collection. I've been collecting United Nations stamps. I don't have very many of these. That's cool. There's some other stamps and souvenir sheets and programs and all sorts of stuff, as well as just first day covers. There's the American Topical Association. This one I like. It's a card, Christmas card with season's greetings and the stamps in it. And some souvenir folders. Again from the... That was cool stuff, Michael. Thank you very much for sending it to me again and again and again. Thank you. This is Bob. This is Bob Collects Stamps. This is Bob in my natural habitat when I'm not working on my stamps. I'm doing this on a new video system. It's really cool on my phone, so we'll see what happens. All right, remember, don't follow anybody else's rules except take care of your stamps and take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Bob Collects Stamps. Thanks for watching.